Today we're visiting Webb's Sunbridge community. This is a 55+ community just getting started. There are many models to take a look at. Today we're going to take a look at the Mystique. It's a 2 or 3 bedroom, depending on how you configure it, with a 2 or 3 car garage. Let's go take a look. So as you enter the house, there is a full bedroom and bath in the front of the home. And as you step to the other side, there's another full bedroom that's going to provide privacy for all of your guests. Stepping through, there's a flex room, which can be used as still a formal dining room, can be converted into an office, whatever you'd like to use it. As you step through into what I like to call the great room, everything is here. Your living area, the kitchen area, the dining area, and one of my favorite features about the Mystique is this optional sliding. My favorite feature in this home is this optional corner sliding door that opens all the way up both ways to bring the outside in to go out to your covered lanai. This bath features a super shower, but you also have the option of getting a regular shower and bathtub. And then of course you have your large walk-in closet. So I hope you've enjoyed the Mystique in Webb's Sunbridge community. This particular home has of course many options, and there's others that could be included that aren't shown here. So give us a call and we can talk about it.